Now, first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Alex Garcia.
Well, what an exciting night we had last night. Lots of big storms, lots of all activity, lots of lightning, lots of rain as well. Looked a little scary earlier this morning, but things kind of cleared out today. And tonight we're watching dry air slide into the region as the clouds move right on out of here. Here's the water vapor imagery. We're on the dry side of this. We may see a little bit of this wraparound cloud, but for the most part, the big storms are well out toward the east of us now. You can see this V pattern in the clouds. That's a good indicator. That's some severe weather going on there. Dew points have really come down from Amarillo back over to Midland to Del Rio into the 30s. Back over in our part of the state, they're still a little high, somewhere about 40s into the 50s temperatures tonight. Cold from Amarillo sitting about 34. We're over at 50 at El Paso, 41 out into Midland. Right around our region, we're generally into the 40s and 50s tonight. Way up to the north back of San Angelo, we're sitting at about 40 degrees. They still have a little rain there. It's wraparound showers. They've had it all day. Looks like it will continue for a good part of the night and maybe tomorrow kind of move out. 57 for our friends down in Laredo, dew point at 52, so still pretty moist down there with all that moisture in the air. We're looking at 44 and 49, so that means, wow, we're really close. If we don't see much in the way of change in that and the temperature drops down to pretty close to that 44, more than likely we're going to see some patchy fog and some fog early in the morning when you're going to work, so keep that in mind. Here's what it looks like satellite-wise. The upper low, the rain pattern still back over to the San Angelo area. We're going to watch the upper low move away. That's going to put us on the backside of the system. That means dry northwest flow, and boy, when that starts to pick up speed like that, air tends to sink down, and we're going to see our wind speeds really start to pick up at the surface. All throughout this region tomorrow, our winds are going to be packing up there while we watch the rain move out. Now, as we get these dry northwest flow winds like this, watch the clouds go away as the dry air really begins to filter in. But those wind speeds, wow, are they going to be really up there tomorrow, so hang on to your hats. Then we'll watch a nice little southeast breeze start to develop late and watch the temperatures start to warm up. We'll start up in the 50s tomorrow. We'll get up into the 60s, near 68 degrees, back over toward the southwest of us. Day two, wind gets a little stronger. 40s for the low. Really cool because with no clouds, no moisture in the air. But boy, this is when that southeast flow starts to come back, and look at that, 68, 70. We really start to warm up on day two. So look for really nice warmer temperatures coming up over the weekend. Not much in the rain category, but tomorrow look for the wind. It's going to be there. Temperatures generally in the 50s out for Garden Ridge, back over to Pearsall. Again, a very windy day coming up for you. Here in San Antonio, we're going to look at 44 in the morning and around 65 to 66 later in the afternoon, but it will be breezy up to around 22 miles an hour.